Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Gitaly 14.3 release planning for GitLab release 14.3. This is the planning for the September 22nd, 2021 release. Very excited this release to discuss our engineering allocation. In the short term, the Gitaly team is utilizing a full-on 100% GitLab engineering allocation. And what this does is this devotes the team entirely toward resolving a critical issue for a short period of time. And we do this periodically around different issues as they arise to ensure that we're focusing our efforts where they are most impactful to the organization. The current justification for this 100% allocation is to improve the synchronization performance between Gitaly cluster and the Prefect database and remove the potential for out-of-sync conditions. This is impacting some of our customers, and it's something we want to ensure we tackle immediately and resolve in the best way possible. As such, I've allocated a couple issues here that go toward this engineering allocation. The first one is a situation that can cause the Prefect database and the repository storage on disk to end up in a split brain situation. We are currently looking at ways to resolve this and ways to mitigate this, as well as potentially allowing the user to execute commands to manually resynchronize if the need arises. We're also looking at implementing a crawler that will crawl the disks of the Gitaly nodes and clean up after leftover repositories. There are certain instances where a repository could be deleted from the database intentionally and yet still remain on disk. And this allows us to go ahead and clean up after ourselves and ensure that we're not keeping stale data present on disk, freeing up disk space and eliminating any sort of confusion. I do want to mention that engineering allocations do not supersede infrastructure issues or critical bug fixes. So as those arise, we will be prioritizing those appropriately. If there are any questions, please feel free to comment on any of these issues or contact me directly. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And if there's anything Prefect or Gitaly cluster related, I would love to reach out and have a conversation about that. Thank you so much.